I'm Brad Entrigan, principal at BCTC's West Campus in Leesport.
And I'm Kurt Funkhauser, BCTC West Campus Assistant Principal. We hope that you found this evening's tour educational and beneficial.
Our mission at BCTC is to prepare all students for successful careers in post-secondary education through a highly acclaimed technical education experience. We offer nearly 40 great programs in 7 career clusters.
At our West Campus, you will find programs in business and information technology, communications, engineering and manufacturing, healthcare, services, and transportation clusters.
To see our programs in action, meet our instructors, and learn how careers start here, we invite you to join us at our open house. School counselors, special education personnel, work-based education coordinator, and adult education staff will also be available on this night to answer any questions you may have.
We hope our open house preview is informative and hope to see you at our in-person event. Don't forget to complete our event survey for a chance to win BCTC merchandise and an Amazon gift card.